Hey guys, it's Shenae Grimes-Beech, and today I'm going to walk you through my nighttime skincare routine. A lot of you have asked me about it and wanted me to do this video, so here you go. It's happening today, hopefully without flashing you because there's nothing under this rug. A lot of you have wondered how I use the products that I use, what products I use, so I decided to walk you through it all. You will notice that it's not dark outside because lighting in this bathroom is terrible at night, so it's earlier than my traditional bedtime. But while there's still a little bit of light outside, I'm going to walk you through my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Step 1. Get all of this hair out of my face. If you were wondering how my hair magically grew several inches, then you can check out my blog post on lostandlala.com. I talk all about my new hair, how I got it, who did it, and all that good stuff. I also got these bangs, which are lovely, but impossible to tuck behind my ears. So forgive my awkward safety pinning. Normally, it does not look this cute when I actually wash my face at night. This is all for you guys. I'm actually having one of those days where I don't even want to wash my face because I feel like my makeup looks pretty good right now. First product that I use every single night is my deep cleansing oil from DHC. A cleansing oil is amazing. It is the most vital step of your nighttime routine because it gets off all of the makeup, and I mean all of it. So just rub it in my hands and get going. I'm gonna look crazier and crazier as this goes on, by the way. Number 2 is another facial cleanser. This one does not remove makeup that well. I know it says on the packaging, remove surface oil, makeup, dirt, and grime, but I like to get the majority of my makeup off with that oil cleanser first. This one is from First Aid Beauty. It's the Pure Skin Face Cleanser. I talked about this on my recent video of product empties. I just bought a new one. Thank you very much. And I can't get enough of this stuff. It's really gentle on my skin. Now that I've taken off my makeup, you can probably see all the redness that I get in my skin that I love to talk about because I know it's a common problem for other people as well. So this stuff is really gentle on my skin. And again, I just slather it all over and go. That feels good. The next step that I typically do, especially when I'm wearing a lot of nighttime makeup, if I've had a night out, I have a lot of heavy eyeliner on, Charlotte Tilbury's Take It All Off. It is the Genius Eye Makeup Remover, and it is genius. It's a great product. I don't really need that right now because I feel like my oil cleanser got everything off of my eyes, but if I felt like there was any residue, I would use this guy. Next product I'm going to use because I am a little dry. I'm going to exfoliate my skin. I don't do this every night. I only do it about once a week because I do have really sensitive thin skin, so I can't do it too often. And I'm going to use Kate Somerville's Exfoliate. This stuff really is the best. So before I start, I put it on my fingertips, but I'm just going to wet it with a little bit of water so it spreads easier. And then rub it into my skin really gently. There are microbeads in this that do all of the exfoliating for you, so you don't need to press it into your skin and rough up your face too much. Oh my gosh, it's already tingling. I feel like the burning's a good thing. I hope the burning's a good thing. I feel like it's active, and it means it's working. Ooh, my face is on fire. My face is on fire. I'm exfoliating. The last step before I start loading up my face with all of my favorite moisturizers and serums and all that good stuff is the SkinCeuticals Equalizing Toner. It's alcohol-free, pore refining toner for all skin types. Equalizing toner has now dried on my skin, so it is time to get into my serums and moisturizers. First serum that I'm going to use is the Phyto Corrective Gel. It's a complexion calming gel, which obviously I need, especially because the exfoliant always brings out the redness in my skin even more. So I just put a drop there and a drop there. I'm crying green juice. After I've spread any serum or moisturizer on my skin, I like to just tap it in. I heard from a facialist once that tapping your serums and moisturizers into your skin was the best way to get it absorbed by your skin, so I've done it ever since. I don't know if it works, but it feels very professional. Serum number 2 is my Rosehip Triple C plus E firming oil. I do 1, 2, and 3 little drops of that. I'm sure you already know this, but if you don't already, whenever you're rubbing serum or moisturizer into your skin, you always want to go up and out. Up and out. In my recent product empties video, I showed you that I ran out of my favorite Antipodes eye cream, and my order has yet to arrive, so I'm using one from L'Etoile. I just take a little bit of this and pat it under my eye in a curved shape that is probably about ½ an inch under my lower lash line. You never want to apply moisturizer directly under your eye because that's how people get that puffiness over time. You want to add it to the areas that you will ultimately get crow's feet or those smile eye wrinkles, and it's pretty much in that crease of your eye socket. Now, depending on how dry and irritated my skin is, I will either use Charlotte Tilbury's Multi-Miracle Glow, which is an overnight face mask that I just leave on and let do its magic while I'm sleeping. But since I'm not feeling super dry and I did just exfoliate, I'm actually going to use her magic cream today. This stuff is really rich, so a little goes a long way. The last couple of steps, I'm going to take care of my lips and my eyelashes. First thing I'm going to do is use my Fresh Sugar Lip Polish. I talked about this already on that product empties video. Well, I always make sure I have it on hand. You just take a little bit on your fingertip and rub it into your lips to exfoliate them. To remove it, I just wet a little cotton circle and I'll wipe them off. To moisturize, I'm going to use Elizabeth Arden's tried and true 8-hour cream. This stuff is amazing. Whenever I'm in Canada for the winter, I always have this on hand because it's amazing for your cuticles, for any chapped skin that you might have. Sometimes, like I said, I get crazy dry in here, so I'll actually treat these areas with this overnight, and it's awesome for lips. So moisturizing. Next, I like to use eyelash serums. My favorite was from Dr. Lancer, but they stopped making it, so I had to find a different one. This one is the Grande Lash MD eyelash formula. And all you do is take it out and apply it right along your upper lash line. The last thing is to moisturize the other key areas that I believe show signs of aging, and that is your chest, décolletage area, and your hands. Nobody wants wrinkly hands. I'm using the Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream from Ahava. It feels really light. It doesn't feel too greasy or anything like that. And it just smells really, really fresh, which is a nice scent to go to sleep with. Last thing to do before bed is brush my teeth. And I normally use regular toothpaste. I was using the CNC Whitening Factory Charcoal Toothpaste from Moeller, but it's a powder and it was just too messy for me. I am so clumsy and it was too much of a cleanup before bedtime. So I just ordered this Active Whitening Charcoal Toothpaste from Dental Expert on Amazon. Pretty basic. It comes in a tube like regular toothpaste, but it's charcoal activated, as you can see on my brush. So let's see how it goes. Pearly whites, and it's actually minty fresh, which charcoal toothpaste often is not. So I'm pretty happy with that. My mouth feels very, very clean, and my sink is still white and not just covered in black residue, so that's a big win in my books. My mouth is feeling fresh, my skin is feeling fresh, but I did want to mention one last step. My skin is actually doing pretty well right now. I'm not having any crazy breakouts, thank you, which is awesome, but I do a lot. And at that point, I apply my Mario Badescu drying lotion. This stuff is the shiz. Dab it on a little Q-tip and put it on whatever zits may pop up. Leave it overnight. You'll look a little crazy covered in pink dots, but it is well worth it. All right, that's it. I'm ready for bed. I will see you guys later. I know that's a bit of a long-winded nighttime skincare routine, but let's be real, I ain't getting any younger, so I gotta take care of the skin that I've got. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I want to hear what you thought about my nighttime skincare routine, if you want to see another video like it, and let me know if there are any products that you use at night that I should try incorporating into my regimen. If you want, I have a brand new blog post on the blog, lostinlala.com, where you can see one of my must-have time-saving skincare items for my morning routine. It's up there now, so head over there now, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can see you in the next video. All right, have a great day, guys.